The state of dermatology care that Canadian patients get currently, I would say, is at a developing nation level.
In Canada, there are around 700 dermatologists serving our entire nation of almost 40 million people.
That's looking at 50,000 Canadians per dermatologist. Dermatologists can't keep up with that number.
Wait times are horrendous. It's 2 years wait in BC, in Ottawa, in places like Saskatchewan, Nova Scotia.
It all comes down to government funding of university trainee positions. This year we had 31 dermatologists who started training. It will take 5 years to train those dermatologists.
And due to this lack of dermatology care, Canadians are at risk of having undetected skin cancer.
So when we find melanomas at their early stages, the rate of survival is almost 99% for those patients. If we find it later, there's a significant increase in fatality related to melanomas.
Dermatologists in Canada are all used to getting patients on the hour who had such large skin cancers that they were visible from the doorway.
A study from McGill University highlights provinces like Nova Scotia and PEI as having the highest incident rate of melanoma in the country. So I did a quick search on dermatology.ca. That's a website helping Canadians find a dermatologist. For all of Nova Scotia, that's almost 1 million people, there was about 15 options, and most of them were only in the Halifax region.
I don't think anyone would argue that we don't have enough dermatologists per capita in Canada. I think the other issue is we also have a maldistribution of dermatologists in Canada, where there's many dermatologists in certain cities and very few dermatologists in other cities or provinces.
When I compare two cities, one in Ontario, one in California, with nearly identical socioeconomic status that I have served, the wait times in Ontario, that Ontario city, was at least 6 months. In the Californian city, it was 2 weeks.
After seeing this struggle for access in Canada, Dr. Lou launched Derm Cafe, an online virtual dermatologist office where access is quick for Canadians. Now, Derm Cafe cannot treat skin cancers online. However, treating less serious skin issues virtually will hopefully free up more space for an in-person cancer diagnosis. Melanoma is the deadliest form of skin cancer, and your chance of developing this increases with sun exposure and age.